All rise. Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1051, Casey case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You may be seated. Okay, Mr. Casey, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
I need some money, Judge.
I do too. So what does that have to do with me?
You know, I got 5 kids, I'm not getting paid.
Okay.
Mr. Casey, a father of 5 is seeking child support from the mother of his children. He explains that he's been raising the kids alone and needs financial aid. The judge listens attentively but swiftly notices inconsistencies in his assertions. This sets the stage for a case that explores the hardships of single parenting and the significance of honesty in court proceedings.
You want to get paid for raising your own kids?
If I gotta raise them by myself, you know what I'm saying?
Let me help you out.
Yeah,
so you want some child support for the 5 kids you're raising by yourself?
No Section 8, you know what I'm saying? I'm doing this myself.
Okay,
Yeah.
got you.
Because I'm a good person. I'm a good person.
Where are the children's mom?
Guess good as mine. You know what I'm saying? Hey, she got served.
Right,
You know?
she did.
Like that movie, she got served. She got served.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I see that she did get served, so we can move forward with whatever it is, you know, that you want to do with placing her on child support.
Yeah.
All right.
Don't y'all have what doesn't like that default stuff?
Yeah, you can do a default. Definitely. She was served. So yeah, we can move forward and do a default.
Can I ask for a motion for discovery?
Mr. Casey takes the stand explaining that he's been raising his 5 children alone and needs financial support from their mother. He claims she was properly served but did not show up to court. The judge is willing to move forward with a default judgment since the mother was served, but she needs accurate information about the mother's income to calculate child support. Mr. Casey struggles to provide a clear answer, citing numerous estimates for the mother's salary. This raises red flags for the court.
Mr. Casey?
Yes, Judge.
Do you want me to help you or not? Okay.
I do. Yes, Judge. Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
So
yes, Your Honor.
Let's go ahead and wrap this up. How much money does she make a year?
45.
Okay.
47.
Is it 45 or 47?
Probably about 90. 45, 47, 90.
You obviously came here to waste my time.
No, I came to get paid.
Okay, so which one is it? Is it 45, 47, 90?
All of them. Sometimes you get 45.
You know what?
Sometimes you get 47.
I'm going to ask you one more
Sometimes you
time,
get 90.
and I'm not going to ask again because my patients are wearing very thin. How much money does how much money does the mother of your children make?
Your patients are wearing thin or is wearing thin?
Tension increases in the courtroom as Judge Vonab's patience becomes thin. Mr. Casey, scrambling to prove his case, stumbles through imprecise guesses about the mother's income. No documentation, no proof. Only shaky claims. The judge's eyes narrow. She's heard enough. Her voice slices through the room like a sword. You want this court to enforce child support. Yet you can't even provide the essentials. No numbers, no proof. Just speculation. She slams the point home. This isn't a guessing game. It's court. And in her courtroom, honesty and preparation are the bare minimum. Mr. Casey pleads for help, but it's too late. Judge isn't buying it. With a cold, firm tone, she shuts it down. Case dismissed. Come back when you have real evidence, not excuses before ending. She delivers a blunt warning. If you're serious about legal relief, get serious about the truth. Bring facts, be ready, or don't arrive at all. This moment isn't simply a dismissal. It's a lesson in accountability and in judge courtroom. The truth isn't optional. It's the only currency that counts.
Look, okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and dismiss this case.
Whoa, Judge. I'm sorry.
No,
I'm
well,
sorry.
you know what? I
Judge,
am too.
I had a long day. Look, Judge, I even tried to bring my cup in here. They wouldn't let me.
Right, and it needs to go back under the
Judge.
table where you had it.
Judge, it's been a long day.
It has been a long day. I've heard cases all day, and
sorry,
you came in
please.
here to waste my time.
Please don't dismiss my case. I need some help. These 5 kids are killing me. And, you know, I work hard and...
You know what? I work hard too, and you're going to work even harder going back to refile this case because I'm dismissing it today. Obviously, you came in here to waste my time. You couldn't even be honest about mom's income. And I was willing to move forward with a default because she was properly served and did not show up. But I am not going to do that until you come in here and are willing to be truthful. So if there is nothing further, your case is dismissed. You are free to leave.
I'm willing to be
Thank
truthful.
you.
I don't want to leave yet. That's how we're going to do it, though? All right, that's cool.
The scene shifts gears into an eye-opening educational breakdown led by none other than Vonab with authority and clarity. She dives into a topic many overlook until it's too late. Default judgments. She doesn't sugarcoat it in Texas if you get served. And don't show up to court. Guess what? You've basically handed the other side a free win. That's right. No shows mean the judge can rule in favor of whoever filed the case. No arguments, no defense, just game over. But Vonda doesn't stop there. She drills into the real responsibility, providing honest, accurate information, especially about income. If you lie, inflate, or downplay your earnings, you're not just hurting the other party, you're setting yourself up for legal disaster, she warns. This isn't just a lecture. It's a wake-up call. Vonyabi peels back the curtain on how the system works, and more importantly, how to work within it, the right way for anyone considering about pursuing child support or dodging it. This segment delivers the harsh facts on how justice gets served.
Guys, it's me. I just wanted to go over what you all witnessed in the Casey case. Well, Dad had a legitimate reason to get a default. What is a default? Remember, in Texas, if someone is served to participate in a lawsuit and they do not show up to court, the court can move forward with whatever the person who brought the case before the court was asking the court to do. Well, this one was a little interesting, right? So when Dad shows up asking the court to place mom on child support, he didn't know what her income was. He gave 3-4 different numbers. You have to know this information in order for the court to be able to assist you in what it is that you wanted. So that's the reason you saw that his case was dismissed, and maybe at a later time he can come back, and then at that time, hopefully, he has financial income information on mom.
Once the gavel hits and the case finishes, the video doesn't just stop. It delivers a knockout punch. Judge Vonda B leans in with a message that cuts through the noise if you want to succeed in court. There's no substitute for honesty and preparation period. No fluff, no gimmicks, just straight talk. This case was more than courtroom drama. It was a lesson in how the truth or the lack of it can make or break you in front of a judge. Then comes the call to action, loud and clear. Hit that subscribe button if you're here for real. Stories raw, courtroom battles and legal game you can actually use whether you're in the fight or just watching from the sidelines. This channel is your front row seat to justice in action, because when it comes to the legal system, showing up prepared isn't optional.